Good morning everyone. This is Jai from grade 9. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 11th June 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Gaurav Chandan Singh Rajput from grade 9. Every Wednesday we have Wellness Wednesday. So today's wellness tips are like eat a balanced diet including fruits and veggies and oat and for mindful eating like chewing well and additionally limit your screen time. Be happy and be healthy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Vijaya from grade 9.
I am Samiksha from grade 9.
My name is Vedika from grade 9.
This is Tanishka Mari from grade 9.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today's importance of the day is National Making Life Beautiful Day.
This day is observed every year on June 11. This intends to help people to make their life beautiful and positive.
It also focuses on kindness, helping others and building strong relationships.
The most important questions come: how can we make the life beautiful? We can make the life beautiful by showing kindness to friends and family and supporting others in their success.
This day is important to encourage and kind acts of kindness also strengthens relationships and community bonds.
The power of kindness include small gestures which have big impact.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to give message to everyone. Help someone in need and encourage a friend or a classmate.
May we all find joy in the little things.
Spread kindness everywhere we go and help others shine.
Thank you.
To please stand straight, feet a little apart and hands resting by your sides for the breathing exercise. Now deeply breathe in through your nose and hold your breath while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out through your mouth. One last time. Breathe in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe out through your mouth. Thank you.